everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Simran and today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 2. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the question for today is, some people think that good teamwork makes a company successful. Others think that good leadership is the reason behind the success of a company. Discuss both sides and give your opinions. So some have the view that for a company's success, teamwork is necessary or should be given importance, while others think that a good leadership is the reason behind the success of a company. So we have to discuss both these views and we have to give our opinion. Let's see how we will answer this. Some people believe that high quality teamwork is essential for a company's success, while others believe that successful leadership is the most crucial component, means important element. Enterprises, businessmen, in my view, will succeed outstandingly if they have a great leader as well as marvelous team to help them achieve their objectives. Means business will definitely outstandingly succeed if they have both a great leader and a marvelous, means amazing teamwork, so they can achieve their objectives. On the one hand, all critical decisions in business are made by leaders. Companies would lose if these choices are not made wisely. A poor decision will jeopardize these people's financial situation. Jeopardize means risk. In other words, this individual makes plans for the organization future and leads the entire staff through the process. So what a leader do, their decisions are very important, right? If a leader doesn't take a decision wisely, so that can risk the financial situation of not only the company, of them and of the teamwork as well. So a leader has to be great, or it is the very important factor in the company success. In other words, this individual make plans for the organization, because the leader plan everything for the future of the organization and leads the entire staff through the process. So what they do, they leads the staff. Otherwise the team could become disoriented on the way and lose sight. So what can happen, the team could become disoriented means they would be lost. Like someone is going on this side, someone is going on this side, they join everyone and move on. Otherwise what will happen, the team would become disoriented on the way and lose sight. In addition, a CEO inspires the leads by example. A CEO inspire people and led by example, and they leads the other by giving example. Consider Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of SpaceX. Elon's sacrifices and hard-working qualities, according to his employees, motivate them to be dedicated, which has ultimately led to their success. As a result, leaders are critical to every company's successful outcomes. Okay, so we have given the example of Elon Musk, that he is a founder and CEO of SpaceX. Everyone knows about him. So he has also done a lot of sacrifices and his hard working qualities. So we can say that a leader is a kind of role model for the whole team. So leaders are critical to every company's successful outcomes. On the flip side, organizations aren't formed by a single individual or a single leader. So it is quite difficult to make an organization or to run a business by a single individual or a single leader. It is a collaborative effort. Efforts cannot be accomplished until everyone joins hand. To achieve organizational objectives, individual efforts are insufficient. Means collective efforts are required if a company wants to achieve any success. A company is a community of people who come together to achieve a common goal. These individual efforts will aid in the company's growth. For example, if a company receives a production order, the order cannot be fulfilled with the help of a leader only. Right? A leader only cannot fulfill that production order. He or she has to lead his team. The teamwork will help him to achieve that success, and definitely the company will success as well. As a result, for a successful organization, group efforts are needed. Working in a community allows the group to share the workload, allowing the work rate to be optimized and the burden on individual employees to be reduced. Means the burden will not be on one single person, it will be reduced and shared between the people. As a result, enhanced service and improved worker satisfaction would benefit the establishment. So, the people or the team would also benefit the establishment, means the organization. To reiterate, leadership does not imply working alone to achieve an object. In reality, leadership entails encouraging and empowering others to collaborate against a common goal. So, what is the main role of a leader? That he or she collectively work with their team. They do not think that they are working as a leader, they think that they are working as a team member. So they entails encouraging and empowering others. So what they do, they encourage others, they empower other, motivate other to achieve a common goal. I, however, believe a leader cannot truly succeed if their employees are not succeeding, and vice versa. So the importance of both cannot be neglected. Means without a leader, a team can't succeed, and without a team, a leader cannot succeed. So they both are important. So the importance of both cannot be neglected in the in the success of a company. So the word entails mean require. So the leadership require encouraging and empowering others to collaborate, means to collect against a common goal. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.